Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your email address to your Messenger account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down till you find the account settings section. Click on it. Now tap on the personal information section and click on contact info, the second option. Then you should tap on add email address. Here you should type in your additional email address into the first box, which will help you to log in, receive notifications, and reset your password more easily, and also to improve ads and connect people. In order to save these settings, enter your Facebook password into the second box down below. After adding these details, all you have to do is clicking on the add email button, thereby saving all these information that you have typed in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.